Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Jess. I'm so glad that you decided to click on my video, and I hope you stick around and hit that red subscribe button before you go. But welcome to today's video, and it is an interesting one. We are preparing for baby, so if you want some cleaning, organization and baby prep motivation, please stick around and keep watching. But this was the before of my bedroom and it was a disaster. So first things first, we are cleaning out our walk-in robe and are just going to tidy it all up, organize everything and make it less of a mess. Now that everything was picked up, reorganized and tidied up in here, I just had to take the last couple of things out of these drawers and give everything a really good wipe down because it was dusty in here on this wardrobe. And I was very happy to finally get it all wiped down. So once I've done that, I was putting the last couple of things away and gave everything a really good vacuum down as well. This cupboard here is going to be our changing station for little Bubba. So I do put a changing mat, and then I will be filling these drawers up with lots of Bubba related things later on in the video. But then it was on to tidying away the rest of the disaster that had become our room through the process of this, and do these last loads of washing and put them away. Now this area, as you can see in the corner, tends to be a little bit of a dumping ground when things just don't get done straight away with the laundry. But we got those folded and put away, and then we just went ahead and finished cleaning up the room, and then it was on to day 2. and we are on to a new day, and a new day means that I can finally take apart the baby furniture that we have and get it washed and put back on. So as you can see, this is me really struggling to try and get this thing apart again so I could wash the cover off the swing, and I was not winning. I got the front bit off, but I could not get the back bit off, so I had to enlist some help when my partner got home, and he was able to help me. Okay, so now we need to get some stuff to fill this. The change pad will get washed with the other couple of things, which will be good. And so I'm thinking this one will be, one of these will be nappies, one of them like nappies and wipes and creams, and one of them will be change of clothes and things like that. So let's go into the nursery and see what we can find. A little bit of sneaky peeky, we're not going to show too much, but I think we need 2 of these. Got out a blanket, and that's before. Need a little brush. Still need to get clippers. Something I need to get. I think I will just come here if I need socks, but we'll get a packet of these wipes out, and a couple of hats to see. Actually, we might just take this basket and put it in because it's got the hats and the singlets. Here are those. Here's a little brush. I've still got to clean the dummies, but I'll add them once they're, actually I'll just bring them with me and then I can clean them there. And then these nappies to begin with, and then we'll come back for some clothes. Okay, in this drawer I have most of the newborn stuff. So I think I'm just going to grab a few things and bring them up into our room and go from there. And Mr. Man was finally home to help me get this apart because I was really struggling. So he was able to get it apart, and we were able to chuck it in the wash and get these going. And then I think it was on to day 3 of baby prep where I finally put everything back together. And once again, it was struggle city for me getting this back together. My son did try to come and help me, but neither of us could figure this out. Obviously, he's 3, but I did have to wait for my fiance to get home and give me a hand, and he was able to put it back together. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!